In today's video, I'll teach you how to increase TikTok reach with hashtags. So whenever you're trying to post something on TikTok, you'll be able to use the hashtags in the description. Using the hashtags in the description helps you to increase the TikTok reach. There are some best practices that you can follow in order to increase your TikTok reach. The first thing that you can do is simply mix popular and niche hashtags. First of all, what you can do is simply use popular or trending hashtags. Whenever you use those kind of hashtags, you'll be able to expose your video to a large general audience and you can give it a chance at high visibility. You can simply use the hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag for you, hashtag trending, etc. These kind of hashtags will help you attract the general audience. Likewise, you can also use the niche hashtags. Niche hashtags specifically helps you to attract users genuinely interested in your niche. For example, if your content is about fitness, you can simply enter hashtag fitness. So like this, with the combination of popular and niche hashtags, you'll be able to attract greater audience. The next tip is to stay relevant and monitor trends. Make sure your content aligns with the hashtag. Ensure every hashtag accurately reflects the video's content to build a positive user experience and avoid confusion with the algorithm. Also, make sure to spot the trend and use the trending hashtags. What you can do is simply regularly check the TikTok Discover page or use the search bar in order to find emerging trends and popular sounds to incorporate with your strategy. You can simply use the trending hashtag so that it reaches to the greater audience. Also, make sure to avoid the banned hashtags. Search for a hashtag before using it. If no videos appear, it may be banned and could hurt your content's visibility. If you use the banned hashtags, your TikTok reach will decrease. So make sure to avoid the banned hashtags. The next tip that you can follow is to strategically use the hashtag. You'll have to find out the optimal number to use the hashtags. You'll be able to use many hashtags, but make sure to use 3 to 5 hashtags to avoid a cluttered caption and maintain focus and impact for each tag. Also, do strategic placement. Include hashtags in your video's caption for maximum effectiveness in boosting discoverability. Also, make sure to use the branded hashtags. You can create a unique hashtag for your own brand or a specific campaign in order to encourage user-generated content and build community. For example, you can simply create your own hashtags. After you do that, you can simply use this hashtag in your each video. Like this, you'll be able to build a community. So if you follow these practices, you'll be able to increase the TikTok reach with hashtags. So that is how you increase TikTok reach with hashtags. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.